So hi and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to talk about what are the top 5 things you should check once you get the MI11X device. So definitely friends, as soon as you get the MI11X device, try to check these top 5 things whether it's working properly or not. And similar kind of video, just today I did upload a video on the IQ7 smartphone, and a lot of users they did ask me to do a video on the MI11X device, and it is a video friends for you all. So let's get started with the first major issue what the MI11X is suffering from, which is a green tint issue. Yes friends, from the beginning of till now I did face the green tint issue, and I did upload plenty of videos on the MI11X as well. So just type in the YouTube green tint SciTech Guru, you'll get all my videos and how to fix and all those details. So make sure to check those videos friends in case if you're facing that kind of problem. So this is the first thing to check as soon as you get the mobile phone. So how you can check is that you need to put in the dark mode and try to open the Google Chrome and use in the incognito mode, or try to open the Gmail in the dark mode and try to open maybe in the WhatsApp as well, and use really low brightness, maybe close to 10% or 5%. So only then you will be able to see the green tint going on, some kind of problem on the top area. So this is not happening in all the units, only in the few units this kind of things may be happening, this kind of green tint issue. So make sure to check that thing on the day one itself. So in case if you have that problem, so make sure to replace that, and even after the replacement if it doesn't fix, then definitely friends wait for the software update, or if you want you can return the smartphone. So next major second problem what the MI11X is suffering from, which is the low brightness issue. So even for this video, try to type in the YouTube, you will get that kind of video friends. So where I demonstrated the low brightness issue problem which is going on in the smartphone. So where if you play for the long time the games in this MI11X device, the brightness will automatically decrease. But right now with the recent update there is no problem in my unit, but it also depends from one person to other person. So make sure to check that. Try to use the full brightness and try to play the games and just observe, is the brightness decreasing or increasing. So make sure to check that must. And as I said, these problems may not be happening in every MI11X device, only in the few MI11X device this kind of problems may be happening regarding the green tint and low brightness. So next is a proximity sensor. So yes friends, the MI11X is suffering from kind of a proximity sensor issue. This is not coming from me, this is coming from a lot of users who are actually facing that proximity sensor problem. So even there is a video which I uploaded, proximity sensor MI11X SciTech Guru. Just type in the YouTube, you will get the video. So there are so many users, out of 100% maybe I can say up to 40 to 30% of the users, they are complaining that proximity sensor is not working properly and it's activating automatically. That is another thing you can check it. So few of the problems can be fixed with the software updates and few cannot fix with the software updates. The only reason why this MI11X is suffering from the proximity sensor issue is that there is no physical proximity sensor present. There is no physical at all. So only the proximity sensor depends upon the accelerometer. When you're trying to hold your mobile phone near your ears, only then the proximity sensor will be working, as you can clearly see friends. So whereas in the other smartphones normally generally they will be having small sensor which is present in the top bezel, but right now there is no proximity sensor friends. So that is the reason this is causing some kind of delay in terms of the communication, not communicating properly. So maybe this can be software issue, I think. So maybe it might be get fixed with the next software update. So make sure to check that as well. And next is a slow charging issue. So some people they are facing the slow charging problem in this MI11X devices. It takes up, normally if you charge as a company claims, it should take around 52 or 53 minutes. As you can see from this, from the official MI site, I am trying to show you 100% in 52 minutes with 33 watt fast charging. So it's not happening in my case. Definitely it's taking close to 60 to 65 minutes, and some users it's taking close to 1 hour 10 minutes, and last 1% it will take so much of time. 99% to 100% it will take so much of time. Even sometimes it took about 10 minutes of time. So make sure to check that problem in case if you are facing those kind of issues in the MI11X or not. And next is regarding the Pubg game lag issue, and some people they are saying that they are experiencing the lag problem. And in my unit I did not face any of those kind of problems. I did a video yesterday as well on the boot camp testing on this MI11X device. So make sure to check that video in case if you're having any kind of Pubg or lag touch issues. But in my experience I did not have those kind of issues much. So that will be really helpful if you try to play the games on the day one of getting your phone and try to check is there any frame drops or not. So if there is any kind of frame drops, so make sure to comment below friends. Definitely that will be really helpful. So these are the few things which you need to take care about the MI11X device once you get hands on with the phone. That will be really helpful for a lot of users in case if you are having this kind of defects. So make sure to return or maybe replacement. And one more thing, no need to worry about the 4G plus and Wi-Fi connectivity. because I did not have any kind of issues with the 4G plus and Wi-Fi from the day one of using the smartphone till now. So no issues at all in terms of the 4G plus and Wi-Fi. So no need to worry at all about those kind of issues in this phone. So those are issues which are present in the iQOO 7 only. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to hit the subscribe and like button, and don't forget to check the links in description for more details, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.